$134 to be exact. That's crazy.
That's a ripoff.
But considering that we don't have to pay the tickets, that's fine. Because I don't know how much tickets are. Let's see.
$140.
Okay, we're not complaining about the parking no more. It's $140. That's crazy.
Yeah. We would not be here today.
Look at all the bubbles. Wanted a cotton candy, and apparently I can have an ice cream and a cotton candy. There's all cotton candy flavor. No, thank you. That's disgusting. That's good. That's the new ride. I am very excited to ride that. We're riding Journey to Atlantis. Someone over here really likes this ride, so let's see. What the fuck? Remember when I told you we could do it multiple times?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. We're gonna go on Kraken to see if we can dry off because we got soaked. Look at you. Look at like a
drowned rat. I look like a burnt chicken nugget, but that's okay.
Are you ready?
No!
Did you like it?
I did. We can do this one again.
Part 2.
Part 2.
Third time is the charm.
No.
Let's go. I want to go on this thing. What is it called? It's called a tower. That was created. Guess what? You have to pay for the stupid sky tower. Like what? History is being made today. Christine decided to ride Mako. Woo!
I'm literally so scared right now.
You'll be okay.
I'm gonna cry.
You're not crying.
Oh my god.
You're already on it. Woo!
Terrible.
That will make you feel better.
That hurts.
I had to make you laugh somehow. How are you feeling?
Shaky. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being like the scariest thing I've ever been on, that was like a solid 7.5. Like, I'd rather ride Velocicoaster 20 times.
Anywho, we're going on the Infinity Pool because we can't get wet enough apparently.
Nope.
We just need
I
to
think
get
that's
wet
the
again.
drop right there.
Yeah. My favorite song of the week is
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here.
Today has been pretty successful. We did 9 rides in like 2 hours and a half, I think. It was pretty nice because the wait times were like 5 minutes for most of the rides, so it was pretty cool. Anything you want to say?
To rent a park locker.
Shut up. To rent a park locker.
Please scan your park ticket.
Make sure that you hit that bell, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.